In this video, we will show you how to customize the Shopify store on iPhone. If you guys want to get started with Shopify, you can use the links down in the description. First, navigate to the Shopify on your phone. Make sure to log into your account. Now, tap the Customize Your Online Store option on the home page. Next, tap the Edit button given here to edit your store. You'll also see the Themes options to customize, so tap Manage All Themes. Then select the Customize button to access the theme editor. You can change the style and more features of your theme. If you want to edit your store, head back to your online store and tap Edit. Following that, tap on the section you like to edit. After that, tap the Section button right to the template. There are different sections to add and a featured collection. Just tap on the section and add it to your site. Swipe up to the section menu and select Password Footer. Now, tap the Change button to edit the theme. You can change the text, color, background, and more options. Make sure to save changes to apply on your site. Head back to your site to preview the changes you made. You can search in the online store and make changes to the different pages by tapping the down arrow at the top. Once you're satisfied with your customization, tap Save to make changes. So that's how to customize the Shopify store on iPhone. Make sure to use the links down in the descriptions to get started with Shopify. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.